Good afternoon and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Today join us in sunny Pattaya and we're at Columbia Pictures Aquaverse movie-based water park. There's a mouthful. That's what she said. Well, we bought our ticket and then told that the main pool's closed just after we bought the tickets. So it says you can come back tomorrow. So yeah, this video will now skip to tomorrow.
24 hours later.
Well, here we are back at Columbia Pictures Aquaverse water park. Try again, huh? This time everything's open. There's our band and we're heading into the water park. Whoop whoop, chicken soup. Funnily enough, my favourite part about this whole water park is the Hotel Transylvania splash pad. It's for adults as well as kids and it's so fun, especially waiting for that big guy to spill out. Is it going to? No, not on cue, and it drops down here. It is awesome. So the show's on nearly every hour and they're on here, and to be honest they really are quite good shows. I really enjoy them. And obviously you've got your food vendors around here. Now it does say the world's best burger, and I believed them last year and I got a burger. And believe you and me, I'm not gonna lie, they are not the world's best burgers. To be honest, they're pretty shit. And they're expensive. Food in here is like food in America, theme parks, really expensive. Well, that Hotel Transylvania area is where I do spend most of my time. Now it looks like it's changed from last year, because they've actually got slides on it this year, and I'm sure last year they didn't have those slides. So that has been upgraded from the last time we were here. Over here we've got the wave pool. As you can see, it's not very deep. It gets a little bit deeper near the back, but you can sit and watch Ghostbusters or whatever movie they're showing on the screen. It's a little bit hard to see, but yeah, you can sit in here. This is where we spend most of our time, either in here or on there. As you can see, people, it is dead. There's not many people come here at all. It is early in the day, but it is Sunday, so it's a weekend, and you would have thought it'd be a lot more busier. We'll see what happens a little bit later on. It is quite an expensive water park to get into. It's actually more expensive than Ramayana, which is the biggest water park that we went to the other day. Now the water park is actually a cashless system. You get the bands, which are your entry bands. They've got a QR code. You go to one of the booths, add money to the band, and use the band as cash. So they just scan your band. Oops, get a bit windy. They just scan your band as if you're using like a debit card, and when your money's up, you go put more money on. Or if you've got money left on at the end of the day, you go back to the booth, scan your band, and they'll give you whatever's left back in cash. So here's your top up and refund point. So it's as easy as that. There's 1,000 baht put on my card or my band. They also have a wave rider machine here, but that is an upcharge, and all that would do for me is pull my shorts off, because I would not be able to stand up. Unlike this little guy, he knows what he's doing. This is new, this wasn't here last year, so they've got a jacuzzi hot tub. So there has been some revamp and some extras put in since last year when we were here. Like I say, the Hotel Transylvania, which is one of my favourite areas, didn't have slides last time. But look at it now. I think if I go down one of them skinny slides, I'll do a Homer Simpson. So there we have it, the waves have just started. It's a brilliant wave pool. This bit's so fun. Casually sitting in the pool, literally sit on the bottom,
not a person in your life that you would
watching a movie. Hey!
I've got your extra one as well.
Year when we came, this area was just dirt and undeveloped. As you can see, this is all fresh, brand new. You have beds that you can lie on there, and you got the VVIP, so the very, very important people get them ones with a cooler and a mini bar. Yeah, seats, everything. Cool. Down here for an upcharge, you have the Gran Turismo go-karting. But again, this is an upcharge, you have to pay extra for it. And if you crash it and you damage the cart, you have to pay for the damage. No bueno. Ooh, I didn't know about this. There's a mini golf course. So what I mean by a mini golf course is only about 3 or 4 holes. Cool. I don't know if this is new. I didn't see it last year, but I wasn't looking for it. But I wonder if this is a new item from the last time we were here. Photo opportunity. There is a small pool here in front of the wave rider. This is new, this wasn't here last year. There's a nice scream shop. I will be sampling that later. By later I mean now. Over this section you have the more thrilling rides or slides, as well as a lazy river that isn't so lazy, I tell you. There's lots of splashes like that. Now I'm not allowed to take you guys onto any of the slides, unfortunately. I wonder how that works. So you obviously go around like that and into that, but do you do a loop? I don't know, but I'll find out later for you. And this is the Swallow Falls River. Now, like I say, it's not a very lazy river. That slide actually makes you wear helmets. Oh my god. Literally wearing helmets to go on a water slide. Lazy river, remember? Lazy river. Oh god, it's cold. I'm in. I'm in. Here we go. I want to go that way though. At the minute I'm just kind of stuck. Oh, flies. At the minute I'm just kind of stuck in between two waves, like going up and down. That is screen's gonna come back up. Propel myself away from that. Uh-oh. There's no avoiding that. Absolutely no avoiding that. And I'm sure these are linked to the slides. You'll see that it gets harder. Like that. And I think it's when somebody's going down one of the slides. So I think the slides actually dump their water into here as well. So if somebody goes past on one of the slides up there, this gets a lot harder. Just like that. I'm now stuck in one spot. Kick the legs, kick the legs. Woo! Yes, they are the exhausts. Exhaust, is that what you would call it? Where the water comes out of. If you follow it, it goes up to the slide. So as somebody goes past that slide, it forces more water down there and makes it harder at the bottom, just like it's just doing now. Same as this side. So all of these are coming from the slides themselves. I want to go on that one. So there you must go in and just go like a toilet bowl until you come out the bottom there. Yes, that is going to happen. But I can't take you. So yeah, these all are connected to the slides. Uh-oh. Woo! I Jumanji. Yeah, the Ghostbuster ride looks the best one. That's this one up here. That ends in that big dome. Push myself off from my feet. Get a good look at Jumanji. This is the main entrance to this lazy river, but I came in over there. So yeah, this what would you call it? Kebab. Its mouth used to open and shut and go whoa, but now it just stays like that. Doesn't move anymore. Pedal, paddle, paddle, paddle. Uh-oh. Me and Tristan decided to go on a couple of the raft rides on the slides, and we did a Homer Simpson. We got stuck.
Please welcome the Hawaii Joey 5.
Someone's having fun in the paraglider. Or paramotor, I should say. So there you have it, folks. That was Columbia Pictures Aquaverse. Look at the state of that head off the water. Wow. Anywho, we eventually got to come here. It is worth coming. It's one of the more, well, it is the most expensive water park around here, but it is fun. I really enjoy it. Anywho, shall see you all in the next one. Now it's time to do your job. That means do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to follow, do not forget to like, share and comment.